Today we will be doing the problem 2 as 1 in Logic 1 of codingbat. The problem reads, given three ints a, b, and c, return true if it is possible to add two of the ints to get the third. So we will start by adding two random numbers, let's say a and b. If you add them, if they equal c, you return true. You will do the same with all possible combinations of two of the other numbers. So you can also do a and c equals b. Then, if this is true, you return true. In addition, if it is possible to add b and c to get a, you will return true. However, if none of these work, you will return false. And it is all correct. Thank you for watching.